Hi, my name is Anvita and today we're going to be practicing Vajrasana or the Thunderbolt position. Now Vajrasana as an asana is very beneficial for digestion and is almost always included in the seated positions of your Hatha Yogic practice. Now remember that while Vajrasana is absolutely fantastic for your lower body region, you do have to be a little bit careful that you're not putting pressure on your heels or your knees too much. So when we go through this asana tutorial, you'll notice that there are some precautions that you need to take in order to practice this asana to your fullest capacity. So while Vajrasana is quite an easy and a beginner posture, you do need to practice it very slowly and very carefully. Now let's get into understanding exactly how to practice Vajrasana or the Thunderbolt position. Alright, so now we're going to practice the Vajrasana or the Thunderbolt position. So for this asana, what you first need to do is make sure that you're sitting comfortably in Sukhasana and you're super relaxed in this position. Once you feel like you're ready to take on Vajrasana, you're going to stretch out your legs in front of you. Make sure that they're absolutely straight on the mat. You're going to sit in Dandasana or the straight position for just a few seconds. And from here now you're going to start transitioning. So you're going to take your right leg, bend it, and place it underneath your buttocks, and then you're going to take the left leg and place it underneath your left buttocks. So now once you've comfortably placed yourself on the mat, you're going to place your hands on your thighs. Make sure that your shoulders are squared back and that your spine is absolutely erect, and then you're going to slowly and gently close your eyes once you're in this position. So you're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And once you feel like you're ready to release this asana, you're going to slowly and gently open your eyes. You're going to take your hands off of your thighs, and while coming back, you're going to come back as slowly as you went into this asana. So first your left leg comes out, so you slowly and gently release the left leg, come back onto the mat, then release the right leg, bring it back in front of you, and then slowly and gently bring your legs back and place them in Sukhasana. So as you can see, this is quite a simple position. You're basically just making sure that you are comfortably seated on the mat with your legs underneath your thighs, but you need to be really careful in the way that you go into this asana and the way that your feet are placed at the back. So as long as you're doing this super carefully and slowly, you should be fine, and that's exactly how you practice Vajrasana or the Thunderbolt position. So as you can see, Vajrasana is highly beneficial for the process of digestion, and usually it's to be practiced after lunch or after dinner for about 5 or 10 minutes. It's also interestingly the only asana you can practice after a heavy meal, so you should try and do this on the regular and you will automatically notice how much your digestion improves. And just to give you some guidance, since I was 5, my family and I have been doing this posture literally together, sitting in Vajrasana for 15 minutes after all of our meals. Not only does that help us bond as a family after we finish the day, but also ensures that we all have good digestive movement. So you might want to practice this asana after you finish, and you'll see not only your digestion improve, but your family relations as well. So I hope that you practice this asana and that it helps you on your spiritual journey forward. Now if this asana has helped you and you feel like you've derived a lot of value from this video, do feel free to share it with your family and your friends, and we will look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care.